Welcome to e-learning program of Model International School, Hiswa. My name is Asif from Model International School. So, friends, today in this video lecture, we will discuss about question number 3rd, chapter number 9, multiplication and division of decimal fractions. This is class 5th, exercise 30. So friends, here we have taken question number 3rd. Here in the previous video we had already discussed about question number 1 and 2 as well. Now see the question number 1. So this question number 1 has many sub questions, and we have taken question number sub question A first, then we will look at the another. Now first question A says, first question 3rd is find, means an A 617.313 divided by 15. First of all, friends, this is considered, this is as dividend and this is the divisor, and we have to divide this dividend by this divisor. So we have to write as here 617.313 and divided by 15. Now here have a look, friends, this is the whole numbers term, and if we take the single one 6 here and we are going to apply the 15 tables, so 6 is the less than 15. So this is why we are going to combine these two digits, becomes 61. Then we read the table of 15 to then 15 for the 60. So here 4 times 15 for the 60, 1 minus 0 is 1, and write down here 7, becomes 17. Now we can decide the table 15 1 ja 15 one time, here the 15, so 2 is balance here. Okay, now here the decimal, we put here the decimal. Okay, now write the digits one by one. Here the 3. Okay, have a look, this is 3. Now use the table 15 1 ja 15, 15 2 ja 30. 30 is the greater than this 23, and we have to bring the as equal numbers 23 or less than. So how many times 15 1 ja 15, once again 15 1 ja 15, subtract 13, 13 minus 5, this is 8. Okay, and this is here 0. Now write down here the one digit is here. Okay, this becomes 81. Now read the table 15 1 ja 15, 15 2 ja 30, 15 3 ja 45, 15 4 ja 60, 15 5 ja 75, and 15 6 ja 90. So 90 is greater than, that means 15 5 ja 75. So 15 5 here 75. Now subtract and get 6, and the last digit is 6. Write down here, sorry, 3. Now proceed the same, and we are right over here 15 1 ja 15 4 ja 60, 15 4 ja 60. So subtract and becomes 3 as a remainder. Now friends, see, we have to write only one time. How many times? Now then friends, here write down the 0, then read the table 15 1 ja 15, 15 2 ja 30, and this is 0. I hope you will get. So this is your answer. Now next, now friends, see question number sub question M 431.376 divided by 8170, means 8170, means this decimal, we have to divide this decimal fractions by 8170. Simply friends, first write down this decimal fractions over here, then divides by 8117. But have a look, friends, if we combine all these whole numbers, this is 431, 431st is obviously less than 8170. Okay, now then we are going to combine one digit to it. This becomes 4330, but here is the 1 times 0. If we combine all this, means here is the decimal, so this is why we have to place first here decimal. Okay, then combine one time, here is, but this is also, this is less than 8000. Then we combine, in order to combine one digits to it, for this we have to place here 0, so this is why we have to place over here as 0. Then we combine one digit to 4313, so this becomes 43,137. Okay, now see friends, now we read the table 8170. How many times will get this number or less than this? Means 5 times. If you multiply 8170 by 5, we will get this number 40856. So this is why we have written 5 times. Okay, now subtract and we will get this 2287, and then we write down here the 6. Now this became 22,876. Now how many times 8170 is going up to make this number, or the just less than? Okay, now this is 2 times. Okay, so 8172 is going as 2 times. The 2 times becomes 16. We get 16,314. Then subtract, we will get 6,536. Okay, now we are going to divide till the remainder 0. Okay, now then this is why we place 0. Okay, now this becomes 65,360. Now how many times? If we said 8170, will how many times? So here the 8 times, that means 8000. Here 8170 is multiplied by 8, we will get 65,360. So this is why we will multiply 8 times. 8 times of 6,170, and we will get 65,360, and will get cancel, means 0. So this is your answer, friend, final answer. I hope you will get. So friends, while you are solving this sum, while you are dividing the decimal fraction by the huge number, so please be cautious and see the every minor things. Do not commit the mistake, otherwise your answer will be wrong. Okay, now I hope you can easily solve all the sums. Okay, you can have a look. Question number 3 has A, B, C, D, E, F till N questions. Okay, now see, you can solve all the sums. Okay, now see friends, one last sub question, question number N, sub question N. Find 0.001007 divided by 47,500. This is the huge number, and this is the very small number comparison to this number. But how to divide? Very simple friends. There are 2 or 3 methods to find out. First, this is the same usual method that you have done the previous question. For the previous question, now see, first of all write this as a dividend, and this is here. Now first friends, have a look friends, this is the 0 whole numbers. So this 0 is obviously very small than this number, means we have to make such a numbers over here. This is either equal to this divisor or greater than. Okay, now then how we can manage? Very simple. Here is the, look at the, here is the numbers over here, but we have to remove the this decimal. In order to remove this decimals, we have to place here the decimal and the 0. Okay, now if you remove this decimal, here the it should be decimal. Okay, now write down this is 0, but this 0 is very less than. So in order to write the next digit, we have to place here the 0, then write this. Remember friends, and please keep watching very carefully. This is also 0. In order to write this number, place 0. So this is here the 1. So in order to write the next digit number, we have to place the 0, then write over here as 0. This is 10, only 10, because the numbers, the 0 is placed before any numbers, means the value, there is no value of 0, only this number, the value of the same numbers, only 10. Okay, now see, in order to write this digit, we have to place this. So this is the 0, this is 100, this is so smaller than this. So in order to write this 7, we have to place this 0, then write down. Have a look friends, all digits after decimal have already written over here. Hence removing, this is the 1007. So this is 1007 is obviously less than this divisor, and we have to make here the numbers which is either equal to divisor or greater than divisor. Now, so in order to write in your own mind as 0, we have to place here the 0. Remember, this is why we have to write here the 0. If we count here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 10,000 is obviously less than the 47,000. Then we have to make, we have to place the another 0. For this we have to write here the 0. Okay. So now ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakhs. Yes, this is greater than divisor. Then we can apply this table. So how many times 47,500? Yes, 2 times. So 2 times. So if you multiply 47,500 into 2, then we will get 95,000. Okay, this is why we have to written here the 95. Then subtract. After subtracting, we will get 5,700. Okay. Then place the 0 2 times. Now this becomes 57,000. So how many times? This is only 1 time. 1 time. Have a look friend. 1 time. And the 1 time is here. The 1 time is here. 47,500. Then subtract, we will get 9,500. Okay. Now place the 0, and this became 95,000. So how many times 47,500 to get 95,000? Yes, this is 2 times. Have a look friends. So 2 times 47,500 will multiply by 2. We will get 95,000. And this will get cancelled. So here friends, this is our quotient, this is your answer, 0.00000000212. 7 times 0 over 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 decimal and 2 1 2. This is your answer. So please, while you are solving such type of question, because there is a very small quantity, and this is and we are going to divide the very huge number, so it's very difficult task to find out. So please be cautious while you are going to solve such type of questions. So your homework friends, question number 3, all sub questions. Okay, I hope you are getting. Have a nice day.